Here is an overview of how to get audio working on your new Hamilton Motor Company system. This will apply to Hamilton Motor Company Apple CarPlay upgrade interfaces, as well as the Hamilton Motor Company Apple CarPlay upgrade screens. Lexus and Toyota are all going to be the same in this regard. As you can see, we have a device playing here, our Hamilton Motor Company installation video, and we have the volume turned up. However, we've just installed this unit and no audio is coming out. What it likely means is that the phone is playing audio through the factory vehicle's Bluetooth, as opposed to our new Bluetooth. Our new interfaces are all going to use the aux channel on the car to play music. So what you want to do is go to your Bluetooth on your phone the first time, and ensure on an interface that your phone is connected to the car and then 4 unique numbers, or on a replacement screen, it'll be labeled BNR with 4 unique characters. Make sure you're connected to that Bluetooth network. Then go back to your media, make sure it is playing, make sure the volume is turned up on your phone and the volume is turned up on your car, and then you're simply going to come to the steering wheel and push the mode button until you hear the audio start to play. In this case, we only had to press it once and the audio started to play. If your car is set to FM or XM radio underneath our system, you might need to press it 2 or 3 times. Once the audio starts to play, you're in business and everything will work as normal. Thanks so much.